Hi guys, welcome back to my next video. Guys, in today's video I'm making a very delicious Sunday slash Wednesday dinner, Sunday dinner. So guys, enjoy, and if you're new, guys, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And if you're here a long time, Sunday, guys, big up yourself and thank you so much for coming back. Enjoy.
Sunday and Wednesday. In my household, we usually cook rice and peas and chicken, or rice and peas and curry goat or oxtail or some curry chicken. Yeah, we normally cook that on Sunday or one day during the week, but I think majority of the time is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna prepare some Jamaican Sunday dinner. Okay guys, yeah, so enjoy. So I'm gonna check out some of this. I'm gonna use all of the chicken. Yeah, season it up with black pepper, all-purpose, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and yeah, some mix-up spice, and put some browning and paprika in there. So I'm gonna look about this. So I'm gonna put a piece more in there. I'm gonna put an extra that in there. Yeah, cooking some jerk chicken. I'm gonna add some more season, just a little bit, not a lot. I love to use Italian mix up herb. See it, look, I love it. So I'm gonna just put some love sissy. Put some of that in there. Put little bit more browning. Black pepper, paprika. Little more salt. My Walker's Wood jerk season, and this is mild. Yeah, make this thing hot.
So guys, I have some seasoning. I'm gonna blend up. I have some onion, garlic, bell peppers, and one cash bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme, and ginger. So I'm gonna blend all of this together to put on my chicken. So okay guys, so my chicken a marinade. Look at this, so good, smells so good.
And my peas almost finished cook in a my instant pot. So I just cut up my cabbage now and prep up my cabbage, okay? We wash the cabbage already with vinegar, water, and the carrot and my vegetable that I'm gonna cut up on it. Wash them already, so I just cut up my cabbage now. Alright guys? Yeah. Got my carrot, one big carrot. Me use all of my seasoning, sweet pepper, bell pepper, thyme, scallion, and the tomato and my onion. I'm gonna just put everything together now. Mix everything together. So I'm gonna put a piece of butter. So I'm gonna put little all-purpose, little black pepper, and some salt. Alright.
Put some olive oil at the bottom of the pan. I want the chicken to stay moist. Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm not hear the oven beep yet. So it's not ready yet. So yeah. I put the rice and peas in the instant pot today. Yeah, I cook it in my regular pot. And my peas cook and soft and nice. Yeah, so yeah. See that? It's really soft. Yeah. See that? Soft and mash out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put in my coconut milk and I'm gonna season it up, alright? So I'm just put in my chicken, so yeah. Put pepper, thyme, and scallion. Oh, just add some butter. Add some salt. Taste it. Alright, I want something else. Put a little more salt in there. So I finish. Taste it again. Alright, it tastes perfect, okay? Peas are ready now. I'll fry some plantain. Some oil. Take me to fry some dumpling in the oil here. So I'm gonna just use it and just fry them plantain here. Me I was church. Today I'm fasting. Power of Faith Ministry. So me I watch church. I put the today I'm fasting first Wednesday. Yeah, so I watch my fasting service. I know you're not Jamaica, but you know so you have to stay tuned. So I still listen to Gospel JA. And I still watch my church, Power of Faith Church. Yeah man, I tell you say, you know, you have to keep on do what I can do, you know, for staying at the word, staying at the power, you know. Saying at Jesus Christ, you know. Even though we go to church here, but can't live for the church, the culture church, you know. Make some sauce. I have some ketchup here. And I'm gonna put I now call it brand, some jerk spicy barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add some sugar, so I'm gonna just put it on my chicken. Even though the sugar is in the ketchup already, but yeah, perfect. And anything I'm baking, I like when it's well done. I'm not gonna do it like halfway and then when you do use a knife and chop even one of the leg, you see blood stain. No, I like go all out and just bake it or jerk it or fry it all the way, not part way. Okay guys, yeah. Put it back in there for the next 10 minutes and take it out.